Ready for a fresh perspective on trending topics in ad tech? Welcome to Dstillery POV, or as we like to call it, DST POV, a video series sharing Dstillery's point of view on the topics shaping the ad tech industry today. I'm Michael Beebe, CEO of Dstillery, and I'll be your host. If you aren't familiar, Dstillery is the leading custom audience company, empowering brands and their agencies to reach their best prospects for high-performing programmatic advertising campaigns. Through cutting-edge data science, we've earned 17 patents and counting for the AI technology that powers our precise, scalable targeting solutions. In this series, I'll be joined by our incredible leaders at Dstillery and beyond, asking them critical questions on topics ranging from consumer privacy to the latest machine learning developments. Stay tuned for each episode. We're sounding off on DST POV.